subscribe my channel.
Single, build single page applications to the user interface. What is the error? Here the error is export switch. Import as switch was not found in React router DOM. Yeah, everyone knows about React router DOM. What is the use of React router DOM? React router DOM, one of the node package manager in for React JS. It is used for to navigate the paths by using switch and route comments. What is the switch? Switch is used for render the routes when paths matches with first route. Yeah, in this I'm facing this issue. Actually, the React router DOM has uh, two versions. Like previous version is 5, the latest version is 6. In latest version, the switch component is not there. Let's see. The latest version is available. Routes are available, and yeah, some other components like use routes used in hooks like link, nav link. These are we are used. First of all, check here package here. In this, the React router version is 6.717.0. This is the latest version. In this latest version, the switch component is not there. Switch component is only available till previous version like 5.2.0. The previous one. In previous version, we use the switch component. In latest version, the different process to achieve this routing. Here, once the output is checked, the output is an error compiling with problems. Here, check how to navigate the upgrading from. This is the React 1.16.8. This is a React Router 5.1. This is the previous version. In this previous version, we are using switch. The latest version. Wait a minute, I will show to everyone. This is the latest version. In this latest version, the routes and route path only two components are used. So first, anyone get this type of error? This is one of the common error. Anyone get this type of error? Please check the version of React Router DOM. If the React Router DOM version is before 6.17.0, you can use switch component. Otherwise, in this latest version, using latest method, the method was remove the switch. You can add the routes. Okay. Let's say this once. Check. Or yeah, compare it. Please check the output now. Yeah, we got an output. Yeah, this is the output of my code. This is the output page. It's fine. Thank you guys.